Big sporting history is being made this week, and it's happening in Africa. For the very first time, the UCI Road World Championships have kicked off in Kigali, Rwanda, the land of 1,000 hills, and the cycling world is watching closely. The UCI Road World Championships 2025 officially began on the 21st of September in Kigali, marking a major milestone in the history of global cycling. This is the first time the competition is being held on the African continent, a move seen as both symbolic and groundbreaking for the sport's global expansion. The terrain in Rwanda is unique. Kigali is famous for its steep climbs, cobblestone streets, and undulating hills, which will test even the strongest riders. Experts are already calling this one of the most selective and challenging World Championship courses in years. Local fans have lined the streets in thousands, giving the event a festive yet competitive atmosphere. The championship started with the elite women's individual time trial, a 31.2 kilometers race against the clock. And what a performance we saw! Marlene Reusser of Switzerland powered through the tough course to claim the first rainbow jersey of the championships. Her victory brought pride not only to Switzerland but also set the tone for the days ahead. But what's equally important this year is safety. Following concerns from past races where riders were left vulnerable in crashes, the UCI has introduced a new GPS tracking system. Every rider now has a tracker fixed under their saddle. This system alerts emergency teams instantly if a rider crashes or suddenly stops. It's being praised as a game changer that could save lives during high-speed descents and tough climbs. Over the next few days, fans can expect more thrilling action. The time trials will continue until 24th September, after which the spotlight will shift to the road races, the most prestigious events of the week. Among the favorites this year are some of the biggest names in world cycling. Belgium's Wout van Aert and Remco Evenepoel, Slovenia's Tadej Pogačar, and Denmark's Mads Pedersen are all expected to battle it out for the men's elite road race title. On the women's side, defending champion Lotte Kopecky of Belgium and Dutch star Demi Vollering are the names to watch. For Rwanda, this event is more than just sport. Hosting the World Championships is a chance to showcase its progress, its culture, and its passion for cycling. Rwanda already has one of Africa's fastest-growing cycling fan bases, and with this global spotlight, the country hopes to inspire a new generation of African riders. In the words of UCI President David Lappartient, cycling has finally come home to Africa. Kigali 2025 will be remembered as a turning point in our sports history. So, as the wheels keep spinning in the heart of Africa, the world watches closely, because history is being written, one pedal stroke at a time.